In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a large video file in Gmail on your laptop or desktop computer. We all know how frustrating it can be when you're trying to share a video file that's just too big to attach directly to your email. Fortunately, Gmail has a great solution for this, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Gmail. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, sign into your account using your email and password. If you're already signed in, terrific. Now, locate and click the Compose button. You'll find this on the top left side of the Gmail interface. This action will open a new email window, where you can start drafting your message. Now, let's talk about adding your large video file. Instead of attaching it directly, which can lead to attachment size issues, we'll use Google Drive. In the new email window, you'll see some icons at the bottom. Click on the Google Drive icon, which appears as a triangle. After clicking the Google Drive icon, a small window will pop up. This is where you'll select the video file you wish to send. If your video file is not already in Google Drive, don't worry, click the Upload tab on the top of this pop-up window. Then, click Select Files from your device. A File Explorer window will open, allowing you to navigate to the location of your video file on your computer. Once you've located your file, select it and click Open. Depending on the size of your video file, it may take a few moments to upload to Google Drive. Be patient during this process, it's a crucial step in ensuring your file is sent without any issues. With your video file successfully uploaded, you should see it listed in the pop-up window. Select the file and then click the Insert button at the bottom of the window. This action will create a Google Drive link for your video file in the body of your email. Now, all that's left is to finalize your email. Enter the recipient's email address in the To field, add a subject line that clearly reflects the content or purpose of your email, and write your message providing any additional context or information you want the recipient to have about the video. Once you're satisfied, you can hit Send. One last tip: ensure your recipients have permission to view the file by clicking the Share button in Google Drive and modifying the permissions as necessary. By allowing them to view or download, you ensure a seamless process at their end too. And that's it. You've successfully sent a large video file through Gmail using Google Drive. This method is not only efficient but also easy to use, making your email exchanges seamless and effective. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.